with all what's going on right now in the world with coronavirus, a lot of us have a lot of time. We don't know what to do. And today, I'm here again at the shop, and we got a couple of cars that we decided to finish up the little things that we always have no time for it. So, want to go with muffler delete on this one. That one needs to be changed on rotors. And especially that one right here, just bought it from the Copart for 150 bucks. So I'm gonna check if it's gonna run and if we can make the quick money on it. If we can resell it so quick and make at least maybe 500 bucks in one day. This is it, guys. This is 1988 Honda Accord 3rd generation. The Copart said it starts, runs and drives, but you know how it works, so I'm gonna start it up and see if it's working. The tow truck just brought it here, drop it off, and let's look inside how it looks like in there. So it says 125,000 miles on it. The interior is not bad. Let's see if we have keys right here. Yep. Looks like no juice in the battery. So I'm gonna use Jump Start portable power bank. Let's see if it's gonna actually work and if it's will have enough strength to start this old huge Honda motor. Power on. Check this out. Runs. Let's see if it's gonna go on reverse. It actually moves. Let's see if it's gonna go forward. Yep. Nice. So I'm gonna clean it up, wash it from outside, clean the motor a little bit, and see if it will be possible to sell it. Alright. You got the account for me?
Ja, das ist $8.
Okay. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and you get at least some information how to flip cheap cars and make quick cash. And if you're new to my channel, consider to subscribe and smash the like button. It's really helped the YouTube algorithm. Thank you and see you next time.